All right, guys, you know I had to do it again. I couldn't hold off. Oh my gosh. This is up there with the first gen Blazer to me. These are just so cool. They're very rare as far as the Bronco goes. 2 years only. If you probably see the title already, but 78s did come with round unless it was the Ranger XLT package. Then it got the square. 79s all got the square headlights. This is a beautiful truck. It is very rare. I mean, you got to have some attrition that's happened, so it's probably even more rare than that. But with this paint job, this transmission, this engine code, I wouldn't say one of one, but it may be one of a few. Wimbledon white, candy apple red from the factory. Just beautiful. Mickey Thompson tires and wheels. I love these. These are so good looking. I love the detail on them, and the tires, you look at it, super big tread, but they're quiet. This thing floats, maybe a little too floaty. Decent on fuel for what it is. You got the back window. It is a power back window. You can take it down by the key. There's a switch inside. One of the more rare options here, slider on the back glass. Back half does come off. You've got your swing away tire, which I think just goes perfect with this. New lights, new everything. I put a new exhaust on. We'll definitely talk more about that in a video. When I went from, it came with I don't know the brand, but they were a glass pack and some crusty tips. So I went all new pipes from the back. That's a whole nother video though, but just look at this. Racetrack molding is good looking. Everything is just freaking beautiful. I went and drove this and I was like, oh crap, what have I done? I can't go look at anything unless I really know that I'm just looking to look. Yep, so this thing came home and we're probably done buying for a little bit unless we sell something. I've been toying with the Camaro or the GTO to sell. I'm just not 100% sure if that's what I want to do, but gosh, again, 2 years only. You don't see many of these out on the road. I've had like 6 or 7 waves at it. Let's go ahead, take you inside. Some of my favorite stuff is in here. You got plaid interior. Love it. Retro sound. This is my favorite right here. Not the ball. I think that's kind of stupid, but manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, because you got the 3 pedals there. That's what it's all about. Just beautiful all over in here. Just a really, really nice rig. Sorry, the cops stopped to chat about it. This thing is an attention grabber. We've got some new molding, but everything honestly looks good. And I'm really excited to pop that back half off. This is just a fun ride. We're gonna try and get you a few driving clips. I mean, when you sit up, it's got quite the view out too. It's really a pretty sweet setup. Ranger XLT over there, just some details. The layout is just so clean. This is what you see from the headrest. I like the high back seats. I don't like my hand in there. Could probably use a new seat belt. It's a little worn, but it's not bad. So I don't know, guys. Am I crazy? Did I make a good purchase? Let's get you a few exhaust clips. We'll have an exhaust video coming out on this. I got a before and after on that. We'll get you a few driving clips and we'll go from there. But overall, what a freaking beautiful ride. Give it a thumbs up if you like these old Broncos. They are getting more and more rare. And we'll see you after the driving clips. All right, guys, I just wanted to take a minute to bring you out here, show you this, kind of talk about it, give you some of the stats on this vehicle. This vehicle is amazing and it is very rare. This is one of 9 Broncos that were like this. So probably now there might only be a handful left in the country or period. So it's 78. It is one of 238 with this paint code, which is the Wimbledon white and the candy apple red. One of 54 with this paint and trim code. One of 14,559 with the engine and transmission codes. So, I mean, that's still right there is pretty rare. And then one of 36,896, sorry, with the Ranger XLT package. So they made just shy of 78,000 of these bad boys. So when you do all the math and stuff like that, There's your statistics right there. This is a Marty report. Comes out to 1 of 9. I mean, this is amazing that they had this freaking sweet color back in the day. I absolutely love this truck. Hope you guys liked it. We'll take you out on a nice drive soon enough, but I kind of wanted to just get you a look around this bad boy here. I mean, it's got all the information you need on this. Just wanted to kind of take you around the vehicle a little bit and the history of it and how rare it is. Like I said, it's the 351, it's the 4-speed. It has a 350 rear axle and front axle, the fiberglass roof, 6,100 pounds. Came with the deluxe two-tone paint, the ammeter and oil pressure gauge, the reduced noise exhaust system, which we amped it up. Mud and snow tires, swing away spare, power steering. Did come with AC. It's been upgraded. AM radio, rear seat, sliding rear window, console, heavy duty rear shocks, Ranger XLT package. Just a freaking sweet rig. And you look at it, it's just big. And we've got some nasty weather rolling in, so I didn't want to get it out and get it all spotted again for you. But we'll be definitely taking this thing out for a cruise soon enough. I really just, this thing's a pain in the ass to clean on the top and the middle. There's no bed to stand in. But overall, I just dig this vehicle. So let's go ahead and get you a few shots. And then if you like this, give it a thumbs up. We'll make more with it. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, vintage air. Vintage air, guys. AC, Bluetooth radio because of the retro sound. This thing is pretty sweet. It's really pretty mellow. Honestly, with glass packs, it should have been a lot louder. Everything works. Speedometer's on. Yeah, everything works. It's freaking awesome. Like I said, we'll get you some drive-by clips here in just a minute. Guys like those drive-bys. We'll take this out for a full drive in one of our next videos, but I have to say this thing sounds pretty good. I thought it'd be a hair louder. It's definitely no Chevy. Let me rev it. We'll probably roll backwards though. I think it sounds pretty good. With that, we'll see you on the next one.